Hello everybody, this is Tina for Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a project share. I made a sunflower journal. And I got this ribbon going around it. So just I just did like a full knot. So you can have that. And it's like, and I did, it's pretty bulky, but it's not gator mouth, I don't think. So this is some paper I bought off Etsy. So I got this on the front, and I got this blue on the back, and I got this trim. So let's open it. When you open it inside, I got this paper, and then I got this material, and the signatures. And there's a lot in each one of these. It's just did some journal cards in the pockets. I'm not going to take everything out, but most pockets have the journal cards in. So when you open it, got some little journal cards, tags, more tags. I left the tags plain so that person, whoever may purchase this in the future, can decorate it the way they want. It's very roomy. What I mean by roomy is I didn't go in a lot of details because I like a journal where I can add my own details. So I left the paper really plain so that they could journal in it and do what they choose to do in it. And they can take all this out if they want and use it for other things. I mean, I did add a little bit here and there, but not overwhelming. Like, here's a pocket full of goodness. There's some embellishments in there, some tags. Each little pocket has some signature or journal cards and a tag. Belly band, and this is also a pocket. Oh, which has nothing in. My bad. I didn't realize that. So I'll put a couple things in there. So, see, that's what I like going through this. I think I had things in there. I pulled them out by accident. There's belly band, and in the belly band, I got things little tucked in here. And this is a metal tag I decorated. Some more journaling cards in my pocket. In the pocket, there's some tags. Another pocket with the stuff goodies in. That's the first signature. Second signature. Pocket again. Paper. Tags. Coffee filter. I'm skipping through it real quick, so we'll be here all day. And then some journal cards, a mason tag I made in the corner. Now another one with some goodies in there. A lot of space to journal or create whatever you choose in this. Like I said, I didn't go overboard decorating the pages. I just don't think that's, when you purchase a journal, you want space to journal. So, belly band with some more goodies in. Pocket. In the pocket. Tags, journal cards. Tags and journal cards. Oily. Pocket. Oops. In the back with some more journal. And that is my sunflower journal. It's quite beefy. Okay, now fix this. I don't like this sticking out. So let's see if I can take one of these. Stick it in there. There we go. And then on this side. Put this right here. There we go. That's better. I think. There we go. There we go. So, there we go. And then this, I didn't put in closure. Close it up. I figured, person that may like this, may purchase it down the road, can come up with their own way. And I just kind of got this tied like that. And then they have this extra to create. So that is my sunflower journal. I'm actually very proud how this looks and turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.